Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites: an updated YouTube app or a modern browser with PyP enabled and permission granted in settings. Once done, open the video you want to watch. Start playback so controls appear. Then press Home on mobile or click the mini player icon near the control bar in Chrome. This action shrinks the video into a floating window, so you can continue watching while switching apps or browsing. And with the video now floating, you control size and placement. Drag to move it and pinch or double tap to resize, smaller for reading, larger for detail. Make sure to tap the window to reveal play, pause, and close buttons because those let you manage playback without returning to YouTube. If you need to switch to another video, return to the main app and select a new clip. PyP will update. These gestures and quick actions make multitasking smooth and efficient. When you're done, return to the full player by tapping the floating window and choosing the Return to App icon. This resumes normal playback. To stop PyP, tap the close button or swipe the window off your screen depending on device. If picture-in-picture doesn't work, make sure YouTube and your OS are updated, verify PyP permission in settings, and clear the app cache. These steps resolve most issues. If that fails, restart the device. That simple reboot often restores PyP functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.